I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money on MEXC, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create an account. Start by signing up for a MEXC account if you haven't already. Go to the MEXC website or app and click on Sign Up. Step 2. Complete KYC verification. To receive funds, you may need to complete the Know Your Customer KYC process. Navigate to your account settings and follow the prompts to upload your identification. Step 3. Find your wallet address. Once your account is set up, go to the Wallet section. Here, you can find your unique wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Step 4. Share your wallet address. Send your wallet address to the person who will be sending you money. Make sure they're sending the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm receipt of funds. After the sender has completed the transaction, check your wallet to confirm that the funds have arrived. This may take some time depending on the network. Remember, if you're receiving a popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, double-check the address before sending it to avoid any mishaps. Happy trading!